Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to treat a child who can't digest the food. Keep your child hydrated. A lot of liquid is lost through vomiting. You should strive to keep your child hydrated for the duration of their sickness. Water is the best liquid, but varying drinks will help encourage fluid intake. If your child is actively vomiting, keep your child off solid foods for 24 hours. For the first 24 hours of an illness that causes vomiting, your child should not eat solid foods. Use electrolyte solutions for children, asking your doctor for a recommendation. Other than that, give your child things like gelatin and sugar water instead of solid food. Avoid strong odors and other nausea triggers. Some children and people in general find odors a nausea trigger. The smells of food and cooking perfume, smoke, heat, humidity, and flickering lights can also worsen symptoms of nausea. Have the child rest. Usually, a child who is nauseous will be fairly lethargic anyway. But sometimes children will ignore symptoms if they are excited or absorbed in an activity. Ask a pharmacist about over-the-counter medications. Over-the-counter anti-nausea medications may help with nausea. However, many options are not safe for children. Ask your doctor or a pharmacist for a recommendation for an over-the-counter medication that might help a child with an upset stomach. Give your child blend foods. After 24 hours, you can start giving your child solid foods if the vomiting has resolved. Foods with little taste or texture might be easier for a child to keep down. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.